gonna sing a little song for you all tonight. It's about 3 little piggies, and I want you all to join in when you can. The piggies, ladies and gentlemen. Let's kick it, boys! Well, the first little piggy, well, he was kind of hick. He spent most of his days a-dreaming of the city. Then one day, he bought a guitar. He moved to Hollywood to become a star. Well, living on the farm, he knew nothing of the city. Built his house out of straw, wood, and bitty. Then one day, he was jamming on some chords. Along came the wolf, a-knocking on his door. Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin!
I say, little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin!
Well, I'm huffing, I'm puffing, I'll blow your house in. I'm huffing, I'm puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, I'm puffing, I'll blow your house in. I'm huffing and I'm puffing and I'll blow your house in. Well, the second little piggy, well, he was kind of stoking, spent most of his days ganja smoking, huffing and a-puffing down in Venice Beach, getting paid money for religious speech. Built his shelter from garbage he picked, mostly made up of old cans and sticks. But then one day, he was cranking up a Marley. Along came the wolf on his big bad Harley. Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin!
Say, little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin!
Well, I'm huffing, I'm puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, puffing, I'll blow your house in. I'm huffing and I'm puffing and I'll blow your house in. Well, the third little piggy was a grade A student. His daddy was a rock star named Pig Nugent. His master's degree came from Harvard College. Built his house from his architect knowledge. A tri-level mansion, Hollywood Hills. Daddy's rock stardom paid for the bills. Then one day came the old house smasher, the big bad wolf, the little piggy slasher. Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin!
Say, little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin!
Well, I'm huffing, I'm puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, puffing, blow your house in. Huffing, puffing, blow your house in. I'm muffing and I'm puffing and I'll blow your house in. Well, the big bad wolf, well, he huffed and he puffed all that he could. But lo and behold, the little piggy's house stood. It's made out of concrete, the little piggy shouted. The wolf just frowned as he pouted. So they called 911 like a piggy would. And they sent out Rambo just as fast as they could. Yo, Wolfface, I'm your worst nightmare. Your hide is mine. Take that, Wolfface. Well, the wolf's still dead, as you can plainly see, and that's the end of the story for you and me. But still give a listen, and you just may hear the big wolf and little piggy say, little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin!
Say, little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin!
Well, I'm huffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, I'm puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, puffing, I'll blow your house in. I'm huffing and I'm puffing and I'll blow your house in. The wolf is coming for you, baby. Chowderhead, give it up, give it up.
Yeah, Chowderhead. And come on. Thank you. Thank you. That was Chowderhead. I think they might be on something. So, can you tell us your name, please?
Yeah, my name's Danny.
Yeah, Danny. And your name, sir?
My name's Porcus.
Porcus and
Buck.
Buck and
Bob.
Bob and
Bob.
Bob. Thank you. That was Chowderhead, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. You know, after that act, I think I'd rather go home now. You know, it comes to that time of the show where, you know, the seniors are kind of sitting thinking, let's do something that kind of express how we grew up. And how many people have ever watched Saturday morning cartoons out here? We see a round of applause. Well, if you remember about 10 years ago, there used to be a thing called Schoolhouse Rock. Do you anybody know out there? Schoolhouse Rock? You know, well, the seniors thought they'd put together a little theme, you know, the conjunction, junction, what's your function? What?
The senior number has been cut.
Excuse me?
It wasn't good.
Ah, okay, that's your future, the senior class, thank you.